Okay. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good day, good night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FM Signals info show. My name is still Dan Megalic from good old Germany, and you're welcome to another technical analysis and synthesis for the next 48 hours. Today I'm choosing Central European time, of course, the pound chief. So analyze this stuff again, it's still yours. Okay, it's Wednesday, the 8th February 2012, 15 o'clock 53 Central European time, or even 9:55 in New York. The Wall Street opened since 25 minutes, so we are, yes, in a new day, in a new wave, if you want, intraday wave, of course, and yes, 14:56 to complete the time sessions in London, or 15:56, of course, in Zurich, Swiss. So here's the pound chief cross-rate, and yes, probably slightly sideways trend, and yes, not basic trend, but yes, great how do you say English, from the button to the from the button to the top, around about 300 pips or 250, so we can, yes, use it and traded inside. However, let's get a technical view. The main point which I saw even is this one. In the end of February, end of January, start of the February, we see here this downside trend. The last January week, end of January, of course, start of February here, and here the start of February, and that's a great, yes, an unusually characteristic or scenario, call it like you want. And here this upside and downside, so very interesting. And then this sideways trend, so very interesting here. This triangle roundabout here, prices roundabout 144, a little bit above, and we are here by round about 144.70. So perhaps is there any down risk, but I don't want to get going too fast, too furious. So step by step, here the technical analysis, and if we are complete this line, we see here this upside trend, and it broke on today morning. So we are here in an intraday bearish scenario. So here and here. So once again about 144, and here we broke this at this morning Central European time, of course. Okay, so that's the main signal or the reason why I'm choosing this scenario or this cross rate. But let's go a little bit more into detail. Still on the 50-minute charts. Here we see this upside and downside move, and that makes this trend or this broken trend, complete, in my opinion. Here this upside downside, and then here once again an evidence, and here a failed breakout, here a failed breakout, here, and we are still in this area if you want. So you can argue, or I'm thinking, that we've got here the fight between the bears and the bulls. Here the slowly bulls run out if you want, but still sideways. We could also create here a sideways trend if you want. For example, like here and quarter. So, oh, excuse me, one moment please. Okay, we are back, excuse me. It's pretty cold here in my office, however. Okay, it's still 16 o'clock 01, and yes, after this breakout or this formation here we could also create, if you want, a sideways trend. Analyze the stuff again, is still yours, but I thinking that's too, how do you say in English, too overflat. I wanna give you a more accurate or professionality technical analysis, so I'm choosing this one. So, and yes, the question is, of course, right here, right now, what happened? And so I'm choosing here after the or before the breakout. Here this pattern, if you want, slightly bearish pattern, and here this bottom, yes. And we are trading right here, right now, at these moments. Here around about 4 o'clock or 10 o'clock New York time, 16 o'clock in Zurich or 15 o'clock in London, and we are trading proudly here at this button. And the question is, of course, sell or or yes, trying to catch prices round about here. And yeah, that's the basic signal from today. Very interesting chart and great to catching here live real time at perhaps at the bottom, perhaps. So, but step by step, let's go a little bit more into detail. Here let's step back here. So okay, we see we are trading something a little bit broadly around bit. Here the button, here the top, here the button. After this, after the evidence of this upside trend, and here if we will create these lines further and create the two highs here, perhaps we can catch right here right now. Yes, the pound chief and got a pullback, but it's very hard to say. We see the price is still falling, so analyze the stuff again. It's still yours. It's still yours. Of course. Let's zoom a little bit. So here. Okay. And we see we are falling. We are falling right here right now, so I would still wait to buy this cross-rate. And now, yes, I don't have cojones, courage, call it like you want, to buy it here in a falling knife easily. Of course, you can go short. The target could be 60 pips here, proudly to this, but I would still prefer the long side here in this area. Very nice move, very attractive chart. Here 1, 2, 3. So, but perhaps this is only wishful thinking. If we see we are falling and falling and falling. Oh my god. Cool. Okay. Okay. However, let's go a little bit more into detail in the 5-minute chart here. So when we see again we are falling. Here not so good. Here much better. So yes. So I'm creating here 3-hour and 24-hour moving average, and yes, and I hoped that here we've got the sell signal today. Here a classical fails breakout on the 5-minute charts before falling 2 hours ago here, and we are since 2 hours Central European time, that's GMT time 40:55, so around about 14 o'clock, 8 o'clock in New York, we've got this sellout, and we are still in the sellout, so I once again don't have the courage to buy this, but I would prefer the long side, still the long side, until we are falling until 144, perhaps here. If we should fall until down 144, then that would be for me and buy signal too, but I don't accept it. Okay, until yes, the start of the video or this info signal show. But yes, since yesterday the markets are squeezed out. In which way? Yes, very volatile, very high volatility and high risk aversion in this market or cross rates. However, come to an end. Here are the 5-minute charts again. Here on the shortly side, and I'm hoping that we are come back and even could buy in this area too. So here we see the 5-minute charts, and if we are zooming this stuff here to come to an end is buy area in my opinion. So waiting, if you need a trading idea for today, waiting, drink a cup of tea or coffee, of course, what you want, and I would prefer to buy even if we come back. By my broker is it of course 144.72. So I'm thinking we will see prices here, and hoping of course and speculating that we fall back and then break this line here about 144.95, even a 145 pound, and then perhaps come back in this upside trend, but not above. Perhaps we've then as an resistant, how do you say in English, not here, here. So this of course. One moment please. Okay, excuse me once again, I've got a little bit hangover again. So okay, here we see it much better on the 50-minute charts here, and on the 5 once again. Okay. Okay guys, that's all for today. And if we should falling down here around about 144, I would take this as an buy to. Prices under 144 are for me to delete this cross rate even in the next 48 hours. So here and break above 140 how do you say 144.72 pound, and this are for me buy zones if you want. Yes. So okay guys, and the trade is also to come in this area. That's the target, of course. Perhaps here A, B, C, D, and over and out E, but perhaps wishful thinking. However, we'll see. Thank you for watching my video. I'm hoping you enjoyed it. You are enjoying it. Very volatility. Take response. Stay aware. I'm over and out. Wish you the best. And yes, talking to you tomorrow. Tomorrow Thursday, of course. Yes, after central bank decision, European central bank decision, of course. So bye bye, or in English video then after Wall Street tomorrow. In Germany you can get then, or the German edition you can get then after ECB decision, also round about the end of European session, and the words and the English version you will get round about the end of Wall Street session tomorrow. Of course. I wish you the best. I'm on out, and yes, perhaps we are creating here something like a pattern. However, take respond, take aware, and wish you the best. I'm on out.